Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to use the aircon properly in your vehicle. And this is really important if it's a baking hot day. Now this doesn't apply if you've got a motorbike or a scooter, you've got your own aircon. And just remember, if it is really hot, never ever leave your dog inside a vehicle, even with the windows open. I'm just going to open up my van here, and I've left a thermometer on the dashboard. Just going to put the ignition on. The outside temperature is 26 degrees. And if we look at the thermometer that I've left on the dashboard, it is literally off the scale. Off the scale, baking hot in here. To stop your vehicle getting really hot and to avoid the aircon working overtime, you can use one of these dashboard sun protectors. That really does help. If you're lucky enough to have a vehicle with the global open function, you might be able to open all the windows before you even get to your vehicle. This will help letting all the hot air inside the car or van escape before you get in it. Now I've just climbed into my van and it's 36 degrees centigrade inside. First thing to do, even on a hot day, is open the windows, get all the windows open. This just helps all the hot air inside the vehicle just to escape. And then what you do is turn on your aircon and turn it on to maximum. Just start to get the cold air coming into the vehicle. So you're driving with the windows open and you've got the aircon on. After a couple of minutes, you can close the windows. And now the top tip, which will keep your vehicle super cool, is to press this air recirculate button. Now what that does is that recirculates the air inside your vehicle. Now you normally use this when you're stuck in a traffic jam to stop fumes coming into the vehicle, but on a hot summer's day what this does is this takes the air from inside the vehicle and recirculates it inside the cabin instead of pulling hot air from outside. So the aircon is working more efficiently because it's pulling in cold air from inside the cabin instead of hot air from outside. This will help get your vehicle much cooler much quicker. And just to prove that fact, I've been driving for 5 to 10 minutes with the aircon and the recirculate button on, and already inside the cabin it's down to about 27.5 degrees centigrade. I'm just going to carry on driving for another 10 or 15 minutes and then we'll check the temperature again inside the cabin. Whilst I'm going for a quick drive, there's a link above now about how to test your car or van fuses using a multimeter. That means you don't have to pull them out and check them old school. I've just pulled over here and this is another 10 minutes later. Let's check the temperature inside the cabin. Look at that, absolutely fantastic. It's down to 22 degrees centigrade. So that is a really useful feature, using the air recirculate button and the air conditioning on full blast. And I tell you what, I think that deserves a lovely cup of tea, even in this hot weather. In the top left hand corner there's a video on how to disconnect a car battery safely, and in the top right hand corner how to connect a car battery safely, and in the bottom left how to check brake lights by yourself. And you can of course subscribe to my channel by pressing the graphic icon on the bottom right. Safe driving to you.